Hello friends, in this video I'm going to give you a room tour of the Traders Hotel that I'm in. The room that I've booked is the Trade Clubs room with a king size bed with the view, twin view room, I think somewhere along those lines. I'll write it properly in the comments below. Those people who know me, I'm a photographer, so I booked the room with photography, cityscape photography as the priority. And this is the view that I see outside my window. Yes, I have to shoot through glass when I want it. And that's the flooring down there. It's about, I'll just use my foot as a reference. That's how much room you have to place a tripod or anything to mount your equipment. I have size 10 shoes for your information. And I am videoing this footage on an S22 Ultra, currently on the 0.6 ultra wide zoom. If I go to the 1x zoom, this is what you'd see. And this is me pressing the camera right up against the glass. So if I was to tilt an angle, this is all the stuff. And if I go back to 0.6 on the super wide on the S22, this is what you get. Alright, now let's go through the actual tour of the room itself. So do note I'm going to be filming this at the 0.6 super wide view. And I basically just moved into the room, so I kept it as tidy as possible, so you disregard my luggage and I have my camera bag back there. But everything else is pretty much untouched. So I have a king size bed tonight for the next 4 nights. And there's a double sofa there. Now, from a photographer's point of view, that office desk is quite friendly. I think it's very adequate for my needs. And I'm going to show you the power board. So you have access to a lot of power boards. Well cabled managed. It looks as though there are 2 international points with an uninterruptible power supply. That's handy. So a very good desk. And for your information, I always find this handy. I never see this information given out before. When I did a speed test, these were my speeds, 47 megabits down with 22 up. It's a free Wi-Fi access. All right, let's make our way towards the bathroom. To the left, it's the locking of an adjoining room. I've never actually opened this, so what's this? Oh, so you have bathrobes, an iron, 2 pairs of slippers, laundry, and a couple of coat hangers, and shelving up there. Some hooks to hang your clothes. Seems to be another cupboard. Safe umbrella, fantastic. I might need an umbrella for this trip. And some drawers, which I will not use. Just a tip, I don't use drawers when I hotel stays, just runs a risk of leaving stuff behind. But it does keep your place tidy. Card access. Okay, let's make our way into the bathroom. Bathroom is of a decent standard size of a hotel, nothing special, but it has what it needs. Rain shower, bathtub, that's a toilet, nothing special about that. Turning around to the vanity area. And some lines down there. And to finish off, I'm just going to open some of these drawers. So that looks like a keyboard tray, hairdryer in there, sewing kit. Oh, some instructions, reading mats. I believe that's a mini bar fridge. Fridge on that side. Oh, lastly, I will show you the toiletries. Okay, that's it for the tour. I believe I went through most things. If I felt that I missed out anything, do feel free to ask and I'll answer to the best of my ability. Until then, I hope that you enjoyed this tour and you found it useful. If you found value in it, please make sure that you help support this channel video by doing all the good stuff such as pressing like, engaging, ask questions, commenting, and subscribe. Share to anyone whom you think will be would find it useful. Until then, I'll finish off by I'm about to go get some lunch and I hope to catch you again in another video. Till then, bye bye.